The Japanese smartphone market is one of the toughest and most unique in the world, a place where local preferences, innovation, and precision matter more than anywhere else. For years, Japanese consumers have been loyal to domestic brands like Sony and Sharp, but something fascinating is happening right now. Samsung, the South Korean tech giant, is seeing a massive surge in popularity, breaking sales records like never before. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy S25 Ultra have become runaway hits in Japan, with sales figures that are shocking the entire industry. In this video, we'll explore how Samsung managed to win over Japanese users, what this means for its global strategy, and how the company plans to build on this momentum with groundbreaking upcoming products like a tri-folding phone and an Android XR headset. So, let's dive into this incredible success story and uncover why Japan has fallen in love with Samsung's latest masterpieces. The Japanese love the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the numbers speak for themselves. Samsung has sold an astonishing 180% more units of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and 150% more units of the Galaxy S25 Ultra than their predecessors in Japan, proving that innovation, design, and performance can truly capture the hearts of even the most demanding consumers. Samsung's latest flagship smartphone with a book-style foldable display, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, along with its non-foldable powerhouse, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, are easily the best devices in their segments, and their growing popularity in Japan is a testament to Samsung's continuous drive for perfection. Japan is known for its appreciation of craftsmanship and technology that delivers both form and function, and Samsung's latest offerings fit perfectly into that cultural expectation. At a special event held to celebrate the 15th anniversary of launching the Galaxy S series in Japan, Samsung revealed that these two models are not just selling, they are dominating. The company proudly announced that sales of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 have jumped by 180% compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, while Galaxy S25 Ultra saw a 150% increase over last year's Galaxy S24 Ultra in the same period. These figures aren't just impressive. They mark a turning point for Samsung's image in Japan, where it has traditionally faced strong competition from local brands and a challenging consumer base that values subtlety, reliability, and cutting-edge innovation. Samsung's strategic efforts to boost its presence in Japan are clearly paying off. The company has been working tirelessly to make its products more accessible and appealing by expanding its sales network through major carriers, electronic retailers, and online channels. But it's not just about availability. Samsung understands that Japanese customers love to experience technology before buying it. That's why the brand is increasing the number of locations where people can physically interact with its products, opening more Samsung Galaxy Studio stores across the country. These studios serve as interactive spaces where consumers can test foldable displays, experience S Pen functionality, and explore the latest Galaxy innovations firsthand. Beyond that, Samsung is launching limited edition models and running creative campaigns tailored specifically for the Japanese audience, celebrating both local culture and high-tech lifestyle trends. This localized marketing strategy has been crucial to Samsung's success in Japan, and the timing couldn't be better. As Japan embraces a new wave of tech enthusiasm, Samsung is positioning itself at the forefront of this revolution. Looking ahead, the South Korean giant isn't slowing down. It's planning to launch the world's first smartphone with a tri-folding display later this year, a product that could redefine what's possible in mobile design. Imagine a device that unfolds into an even larger display, perfect for productivity, gaming, and multimedia, pushing innovation far beyond the current foldable lineup. But that's not all. Samsung also confirmed it's preparing to release the world's first Android XR headset, blending the physical and digital worlds through immersive augmented and virtual reality experiences. This step signals Samsung's ambition to dominate not just smartphones, but the entire connected ecosystem of the future. These upcoming devices could further strengthen Samsung's image in Japan, a country known for its early adoption of futuristic tech and love for sleek, practical designs. The Fold 7 and S25 Ultra are paving the way for this future, demonstrating that premium craftsmanship, smart marketing, and constant innovation can reshape consumer loyalty even in markets once considered resistant. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 stands out for its refined book-style design, ultra-slim build, and powerful multitasking capabilities. It's the perfect tool for professionals and creators who need a phone that doubles as a productivity powerhouse. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the ultimate all-rounder, featuring Samsung's most advanced camera system, lightning-fast performance, and a display that's simply breathtaking. It's no wonder Japanese users are choosing these devices in record numbers. They represent the pinnacle of smartphone engineering. Beyond hardware, Samsung's focus on user experience, software optimization, and ecosystem integration has created a seamless environment where smartphones, watches, tablets, and accessories work in perfect harmony. That's something Japanese consumers deeply value. Quality that feels both futuristic and reliable. Samsung's marketing push is also tapping into the emotional side of ownership. By celebrating 15 years of the Galaxy S series in Japan, the company is reinforcing a sense of heritage and trust, showing how far it has come and where it's headed next. The success story of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and S25 Ultra is more than just about numbers. It's about how a brand can evolve, listen to its audience, and build products that inspire excitement again. It's fascinating to see how Japanese consumers, known for their high standards and loyalty to local brands, are now embracing Samsung's Galaxy lineup with open arms. This momentum is expected to carry over into upcoming product launches, especially the tri-folding phone and XR headset, which has set new benchmarks for mobile innovation not just in Japan, but globally. Samsung's ability to combine technical excellence with cultural understanding is what makes this success so remarkable. The company isn't just selling phones, it's selling a vision of the future. And in Japan, that future is now unfolding faster than ever. As Samsung continues to invest in physical retail spaces, exclusive editions, and experiential marketing, its influence in Japan's premium smartphone segment will only grow stronger. The rise in sales of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy S25 Ultra shows that Japanese consumers are not only ready for innovation, but eager to be part of it. Samsung has officially cracked the code of what it takes to win in one of the world's most sophisticated markets. With this incredible momentum and a pipeline of revolutionary devices on the horizon, the company's dominance seems unstoppable. And as the competition heats up, one thing is certain. The world is watching Japan to see how far Samsung can go. So, if you're someone considering an upgrade, there's no better time to experience what Samsung has perfected. Whether it's the futuristic design of the Fold 7 or the unmatched power of the S25 Ultra, both devices represent the best of mobile technology today. And with even more groundbreaking innovations on the way, the excitement has only just begun. Stay tuned for more updates and deep dives into the world of technology, only on TechVerse, where we bring you the stories behind the innovation, the trends shaping the future, and the gadgets redefining what's possible. If you love innovation and productivity, go for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the ultimate multitasking machine. But if you want a reliable all-rounder with incredible camera performance and stunning design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is your best choice. Either way, Samsung has outdone itself this year. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse for more exciting tech news, leaks, and reviews that keep you ahead in the world of innovation.